The amount of minutes in 24 hours is 1,440 minutes. So in numerology or number reduction, you would drop the 0. So the amount of minutes in a day, 1,440, drop the 0, you have 144. Our measurement, a square foot is 12 by 12 inches, 12 times 12 is 144. This ultimately comes down to the revolutions of the planet, which are 144,000. So when you reduce that number, we're right back to the 144. We all got a national emergency alert on 10/4. Our current calendar is the Gregorian calendar. And we changed over to the Gregorian calendar. The last day of the Julian calendar was October 4th, 1582. So the amount of time from the end of the Julian calendar to the alert we all got on 10/4 was exactly 441 years, which is the 144 inverted or backwards, the mirror reflection of that number. So that was October 4th. 3 days later, the Israeli conflict pretty much began. That was 441 years and 3 days into our current calendar.